Hi, in this video we are going to see printer management tools of HP DeskJet 2700 all-in-one printer. There are 7 tools which we will cover in this video, so let's see all one by one. First, use the HP Smart app to print, copy, scan and troubleshoot. HP Smart app helps to manage HP printer and set up, copy, scan, print, share the things as well. So you can also share your documents and images through email, text messages. Here some important note is available on a screen. You can see to install HP Smart app you need to visit on HP website, which is 123.hp.com. It is supported on Android, Windows 10 and iOS devices. Open HP Smart app on Windows 10 computer. After installing HP Smart app from the device desktop, click on Start and select HP Smart from app list and connect to your printer. Make sure that your device is connected to the same network as the printer. Then HP Smart will automatically detect the printer. Now let's see second tool, which is HP Printer software in Windows. After installing HP Printer software, double click the printer icon on the desktop. In Windows 10, you can click on Start and select HP from the app list and select the icon with the printer name. And in Windows 7, from the computer desktop, click Start and select all programs and click HP. You can refer the screen for important note here. Now let's move to the next tool, which is Toolbox in Windows. Toolbox provides maintenance information about the printer. To open Toolbox, open HP Printer software. Second step, click on Print and Scan. Third, click Maintain your printer. Now we will see next tool, which is Sleep Mode. Sleep mode reduces the power usage. After setup of printer, the printer will enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. For more detail, you can refer the screen. To change the time to sleep mode, you can open the embedded web server EWS and click on Settings tab, and in the power management section, click Energy Save Mode and select the desired option. You can refer screen for important note, and in fourth step, click on Apply. Now we will see Quiet Mode. Quiet mode slows down printing to reduce overall noise without affecting print quality. To reduce printing noise, turn the quiet mode to print at normal speed. Turn quiet mode off. Quiet mode is off by default. Important note is here, you can refer the screen. To turn quiet mode on or off from an Android or iOS device, you can follow these steps which is available here. And to turn quiet mode on or off from the printer software in Windows, you can follow these steps here. And to turn quiet mode on and off from the embedded web server, you can follow these steps. Let's see the next tool, which is Auto Off. This feature turns the printer off after 2 hours of inactivity to help reduce energy use. Auto Off turns the printer off completely, so you must use the power button to turn the printer back on. For more detail, you can refer the screen. Now we will see last feature of the printer management tool, which is Update the printer. By default, if printer is connected to the network and the web services has been enabled, the printer automatically check for update. Otherwise, you can also do it manually. To update the printer using embedded web server, open the EWS. Second step, click on Tool tab, and third, in the printer update, click on Firmware Update. Some important notes are available on the screen. You can refer and read. That's all in this video. If you are facing any issue to set up your printer, you can contact us by clicking on the link which is available in video description for any help.